Can an individual lose weight at home? There are many ways to lose weight quickly. Several of them constitute diets aiding in rapid weight loss, but at the same time leaving an individual feeling hungry. Such hunger cravings can lead to increased consumption of calorie-rich food items. As a result, individuals will ultimately gain more than the lost weight. It is best to opt for a slower and more effective process to lose kilos permanently. Here, the key step is to introduce some simple lifestyle changes. Adopting several healthy habits, both in the form of diet and exercise at home, can indeed prove to be effective in losing weight. Some tips for weight loss at home. Individuals wondering how to lose weight at home can adopt the following habits to effectively lose weight at home. 1. Having a balanced diet. Even if you are working hard to burn calories through workouts, it can prove challenging to burn the gains from a bad diet. Consider including proteins to prepare a balanced diet for yourself. Protein can be highly effective when it comes to losing weight. The human body burns up calories while digesting and metabolizing the consumed proteins. You can also introduce complex carbohydrates into your diet in place of normal ones. Consuming high-fiber complex carbohydrate products like brown rice, oats, etc., would make an individual feel full by having small servings, and it will also not spike up the insulin levels. 2. Maintaining a dietary rhythm. One of the proven ways to lose weight fast at home is by having meals at regular intervals throughout the day. This helps burn calories at a quick rate. Plus, it lowers the craving for sugary and fat-rich food items. 3. Drastically lowering sugar consumption. While on the journey to lose weight, individuals should be careful about their sugar consumption. Most processed food items contain added sugar that contributes to weight gain. To bring down the sugar intake, one should be mindful about checking the sugar contents on every edible consumed. Accordingly, they can cut out foods with high sugar content and plan their diet properly. 4. Drinking lemon and honey water in the morning. Having a cup of hot water containing lemon and honey daily after waking up in the morning is one of the most effective tips for weight loss at home. It increases metabolism, and having it on an empty stomach allows an individual to burn fat from the start of the day. 5. Introducing exercises in the morning. Doing some small sets of exercises in the morning can be effective in losing weight. Individuals willing to lose weight can benefit from these by just subjecting themselves to 10 minutes of practice daily before breakfast. 6. Drinking green tea. It has been seen that the presence of huge amounts of antioxidants in green tea helps boost metabolism and burning fat. Additionally, it is also loaded with lesser amounts of calories. For all of these aspects, green tea has emerged as a great health drink to lose weight. The period after lunch or breakfast can be considered an ideal time for having green tea because, at this point, the metabolism rate of an individual is the highest. 7. Doing yoga in the morning. Like other exercises, doing yoga early in the morning helps boost the metabolism of an individual. The digestive system gets warmed up through these simple asanas, which helps absorb the nutrients and quickly metabolize fats and carbs. Choosing to do asanas during the morning can help lose those extra kilos. 8. Effective cardio exercises. Doing cardio is almost a mandatory tip for weight loss at home. Though doing it outdoors is much easier, it is completely possible to do this at home. Given below are some options of cardio to lose weight at home. Skipping rope. Skipping can prove to be highly helpful for the fast burning of calories. Furthermore, it helps to build the various muscles of the body. So as a whole, it is a great workout option. Exercise bike. Though one needs to invest in this, purchasing an exercise bike will be worth it. Using it regularly would be effective in losing weight. HIIT. This is for those individuals running short of time but still wanting to build muscles and burn off fat. This technique mixes intense workout efforts along with short breaks for recovery.